Alright everyone, welcome back to another episode of Louie's Garage. I'm going to be painting you a little bit of a picture today in this episode. You've just done your oil change, you've just managed to get that filter out of that really annoying front wheel drive Buso location. It took me about half an hour, it takes me about half an hour every time, super annoying. And then you finish your oil change, you top up your oil, everything's fine, you start your engine, it's all good. But the problem is, and I'll show you the problem. When you turn your car on and you look at your service indicator, it says that you need a service. So that is a bit of a problem because we've just done a service, we've just done the oil change, and it doesn't know. So unfortunately, with the Alfa Romeo 147 and a few other cars around this era, you cannot do a sequence of button presses to reset the service indicator. So you have to do it through a scan tool. Now, I've been looking for a scan tool for a little while that fits the bill, and I'm happy to say that I think I've found the right solution. I've just tried it on my wife's Mini to code her taillights and to change a whole bunch of settings, and I'm going to show you how to do the service indicator and maybe some diagnostics and a few other bits and pieces using this scan tool. Alright, so the scan tool that I've selected is the OBDLink, and I've selected the OBDLink MX Plus, which according to the internet is a fantastic scan tool. And one of the reasons I chose this is because it works with the likes of Bimacode and AlfaOBD and a whole bunch of other software, and also it apparently reads and submits telemetry from your car a lot faster than other scan tools. So that's really helpful for track days because that means you can update your data a lot faster and your gauges and all your numbers will update a lot quicker. So I'm really excited to give that a go as well. Alright, so we're going to be plugging that into the OBD port. You can see the OBD port down here that's under this little compartment in the Alfa Romeo, and there's the OBD port, so we will be plugging this in, and there you have it. Once it's plugged in, you should see some lights happening already, which is really great. And we also have Pom Pom here today in the car. Say hello to everyone, Pom Pom. Hello, Pom Pom. Pom Pom is our really cute Manx cat. He's about 3 years old, and he's a boy, and he loves being curious and exploring, as you can see. Okay, Pom Pom. Alright, you've seen the Alpha. Okay, you've seen the GTA. I know it's a nice car. Okay, bye. Meow, 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 bye, meow. Okay, fine. You want to stick around? Okay, fine. You want to help? You want to help reset the service indicator light? Okay. Okay, Pom Pom. Oh, no, you're going. Okay. Bye. Bye, Pom Pom. Right, so the next step is to turn your ignition on, or to start the car. I'm just going to turn the ignition on, and that should hopefully give the OBD port a whole bunch of readings from the ECU and from all the other computers, and then just turn on your Bluetooth, and we'll have a look at the apps that are available. Awesome. Alright everyone, so I'm on my phone. I'm going to go into Bluetooth, turn that on, and hopefully there should be an OBD link. There we go. I've already connected to this one, so it should already know. I think that's connected, maybe? Yeah, not sure. Okay, anyway, so then we're going to go into the OBDLink app. So this is the one that comes free with the tool, with the OBDLink reader. So we're going to go connect. Yep, there we go, interface connected. Oh, there's a firmware update. Okay, alright, yeah, sure. Yep, okay, okay, I guess that'll work. Not sure. Do not disconnect your OBDLink device, turn the vehicle ignition off, or exit the screen while loading firmware. Okay, so keep the ignition on, which is what I'm doing. And we are loading some new firmware. It's exciting. Never had to update firmware before for an OBD reader. But this is cool, alright. Okay, and then that's pretty quick, that's not too bad. And I'm guessing it's gonna Yep, okay, I suppose that's done. Okay, interface connected. Nice, nice, nice. Reading vehicle information. Cool. And then we go to diagnostics. Yep, we've got a few things there. These are very common problems on the GTA, so I usually just clear them. So there you go, no trouble codes. So yeah, it's really good at reading trouble codes and clearing trouble codes, which is great. The other thing that it's meant to be good at is hold on a sec. Let's go AlfaOBD. Yep, it's meant to be really good at connecting with AlfaOBD. You do need to pay some money, $60 NZ. For the interest of science, I will do it. Yep. There we go. Sweet, I will buy this so that everyone else can see what it's like. No thanks. Okay, disconnect from OBDLink. Go, and then we should see. Hello. Oh, yeah, there we go. Cool. So AlfaOBD, allow. I'm gonna choose an interface. Where's my OBD? There we go. OBDLink. Awesome. Great, connected. Alright, set as default device. Yep, there we go. And then we go to Alfa Romeo 147. I'm gonna go with. Actually, I don't even know which one it is. Alright, everyone, I found out what to do. Okay, sweet. So, once you're connected to your OBD reader, you select 147, you select instrument panel out of all these different computers. And then you go to instrument panel video, and then you click on connect. And it should say connected, yay, connected, that's good. And then you can actually do a whole bunch of other stuff down the bottom here, which is what I was missing out before. You can actually read faults in the instrument panel, which is kind of interesting. But the really good icon is the service icon thing here, the one with the bonnet open. So this gives you a whole bunch of different options, and you can go down to reset service data, right? That's pretty cool. So you go to reset service data. Yep. Sweet. So I think what we do is we just press start, and it should just do its thing. Okay, it says procedure completed. Sweet. Well, I guess we'll just check it on the car and make sure it's all done. But it should be as simple as that. Cool. All right, let's have a look. Alright everyone, that's awesome. It says distance to service another 20,000 kilometers. I don't do 20,000 kilometer services, by the way. I do services every year, no matter how much I've driven the car. Do not do 20,000 kilometer services, but that is how you reset your service indicator on a 147 GTA. And it probably works on a whole bunch of 147s, 156s, GTs, a whole bunch of cars from that era. Should be exactly the same. So there you have it. Now you can buy the OBD reader, the OBDLink MX Plus, or an equivalent, slightly cheaper one. You can download AlfaOBD, you can buy AlfaOBD, and you can do a whole bunch of stuff with your Alfa, which is really awesome. The fact that I can use this one OBD reader and connect to so many cars and use so many aftermarket bits of software along with it is a real bonus. There's no vendor lock-in. You don't have to use OBD's software, all that sort of stuff. OBDLink software, I mean. So I think there's a lot of benefits for using this, and I can thoroughly recommend it based on my own experience. It's been quite straightforward, it's been quite easy. I've had to Google a few things, but overall it's been really straightforward, and you just use your phone, so it's fantastic. You don't have to buy a separate device, and hopefully it's going to read all the telemetry from my track days in the future as well. Awesome, so thank you for joining another episode of Louie's Garage. My GTA is actually back on the road. I'm getting a WOF for it soon. I have to do a whole bunch of stuff. Hopefully you saw the other episodes. But now it's all ready to go. It's like a brand new car again, which is amazing. Alright everyone, say goodbye to the 147 GTA, and I will see you on the next episode. Bye.